our syllabus. So next noise, we'll see about short noise. So short noise was discovered and invented by Schottky in the year 1918, and we usually denote short noise. Also, it is called by Schottky noise in recognition of its achievement. The short noise is just like uh, granular nature of electronic charge. Current flow is because of electrons, and for us, as we think, this current flow is going to be very smooth and continuous, right? But it is not actually so. The current flow is going to be granular nature, means each electron, for it to move, it will not move in a particular direction. It is going to move randomly. So this random nature of movement of electron is going to be the reason for short noise. And just like if you are shooting in a gun, as at one particular shot you make, a bullet will come out. So, and the second particular shot you make, a bullet will come out. So it is not a continuous process. You cannot shoot continuously, right? There'll be always some gap between the bullets coming out of a gun, right? That is the basis how we relate short noise in practice. So it is a granularity, which means that it is not continuous. It is going to be discrete nature of noise. So this granularity is going to translate into a noise. See, if electron is going to move smoothly without any disruption continuously, then this noise will not be there. But statistics say that electronic movement is not smooth and it is going to be granular in nature, which is the reason for short noise to occurring. So there must be a direct current flow and there must be a potential barrier over the charge carriers. Of you are traveling in a road, suddenly you have a speed breaker. So definitely you will pause for a minute and you will complete the speed breaker, and again you will pick up your speed. Same thing, electrons are moving continuously. There is a potential barrier. So for crossing the potential barrier, the electrons have to slow down. They have to gain some energy, cross the barrier, and then again proceed with the same speed. So these reduction in speed, moving to the upper level, again coming down, increase in speed, all this is not continuously and smoothly happening, right? This is discrete. So this is the reason for short noise occurring in the semiconductor devices. So practically short noise because of the potential barrier over which the charge carriers have to hop. Hop means they have to jump this barrier and go to the other side. That cannot be continuous. You cannot cross the speed breaker at 100 kilometer per hour. You will meet with an accident, right? So definitely you have to go back to the minimal speed, cross over the speed breaker, and again go back and pick up your speed. Same thing is applicable for electron